In this video, we're going to see how hard or easy this Piaggio MP3 400 starts after sitting for a little more than a year. Now I've already put a brand new battery in it. It had fuel stabilizer in it, so I'm not worried about the fuel. We're going to wheel it outside, see how easy it starts. It's been sitting in a climate controlled garage, but it has not ran for a little over a year. So let's see how it does. Just wanted to show you the display. No check engine light, no oil light. Looks like everything is ready to go. E3 started up real easy. With the brand new battery, stable in the fuel, it was just like it was shut off yesterday. If you guys are looking for one of these MP3 scooters, I highly recommend them. I've owned the 400 and some 500s, and they've been great little scooters. Hope you guys found the video helpful and informational, and thanks for watching.